What's up everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to use Pictory AI. So right here on Pictory you have different options. You can turn text to video, URL to video, where you can transform the URL to engaging videos. You also have the AI video editor where you can add captions and branding to your video recordings and also remove filter words and silences. And then you can use this option, summarize video, to turn your clips into engaging shorts. Then right here you have the audio to video converter. So if you have an audio and you're thinking of ideas you'd like to turn into some visuals, you can come over here and use it. You also have images to video, PowerPoint presentations to video, and you can go over here and record yourself or your screen and easily edit it. Over here on the left side panel, you have your project, which is where you're going to be saving all your creations. Then you also have brand kits, if you have your brand kit, and then you have templates. Do take note that some of these features are not available fully on the trial version. However, you can use the trial version to get your feet wet in order to decide if you'll be making a commitment. There are other demo projects right here. You can see get started with article to video, get started with edit videos using AI. But basically, these are things that you could find out for yourself. If you scroll down, you can see some other options and tips on how to make better videos with the tips and tricks available from Pictory. But we'll be providing a few tips. So we're going to go over to text to video. We're going to be providing a name of our project, just going to call that project 1. And right here, we're going to give a prompt. Now here's a tip. Go ahead and keep your sentences short, under 20 words. If your sentence is too long, the visual might not match the entire context. You also want to use line break based segmentation to ensure every new line starts with a new visual scene. So right here we have our script, just a short script, and you can see that we've kept each line brief and straight to the point. Did you know that glass is actually a frozen liquid? And then we have the rest. Now you notice at the bottom here that once you write something here, you're going to have these options such as Ask AI, Optimize, Rephrase, Shorten, lengthen, or change the tone. So of course you could go ahead and change the tone if you want to, but these are options you could go ahead with. And then right here you have your estimated duration. It's 13 seconds based on what we wrote, and you can see the orientation. If you'd like it to be 16 by 9 or 9 by 16, which is great for mobile devices. And then right here, this is where you can choose your brand kit to help it stick to your brand colors, font, etc. But we don't have that for now, so we're going to leave that. And then here you have your scene settings. Create scenes on sentences, create scenes on line breaks, which is exactly what we have here. So we expect to have 3 scenes. So let's go ahead and generate the video. So by clicking on that, you can go ahead, of course, and choose one of these options right here. So let's go ahead and choose Wanderlust. We're going to give it a few moments for the scenes to be created, and in a few moments, we're going to have it ready. Great. Now right here, as we promised, you have 3 scenes based on the 3 sentences or 3 line breaks. And you can also see these scenes right here. So let's play and have a preview. So that's the first scene. Let's go to the next one. And then the third. So you can see that with Pictory, you can have your visuals and some sound added to your text, which is of course what we wanted, text to video. From the last one right here, it says it doesn't have a crystalline structure like metal or wood. And this is a pretty decent B-roll that you could use for your video for the voiceover that you might be having for this scene 3. You could of course come over here between the scenes to add transitions. Now once you're done with whatever mode you chose, whether it's text to video, URL to video, or any other option, you could go over to preview the whole video, or go ahead and click on download to download the video. Now once you do this, you have this notification right here that it's begun generating the video in order for the download to happen. And you can see right here, click to run in background and will notify you when your video is ready. So you could also go ahead and do some other things, multitask if you want, and then come back when you receive a notification. And as you can see right here, your video has been generated successfully. You can go ahead and click the download, export the text, the audio, or copy the link. These are options available for you. And after clicking on the download button, you can see project 1 ready for viewing. So if you're a beginner, these are some simple tips and reminders to follow if you'd like to use Pictory AI and easily use it for your production.